Hi everybody. I just wanted to remind you that you have some things up on Connect that are available for you to start studying with for the bones to get ready for next week. Remember that you have the pre-lab labeling homework that's due on Sunday. This will give you a great option of really finding all these tissues, finding all the structures, getting familiar with them before class starts. Also in this optional flashcard section, I've put together some of the flashcards for the bone tissue as well as the appendicular and the axial skeleton. So those are just for practice for you. But if you go down here to the cadaver dissection tool, I want you to remember that we have this option here. So you select module and go to the skeletal system and dissection, and then you can pick the region of the body that you're actually interested in, and all you do is you just find all of the structures that you have listed in your particular lab. So you don't need to find everything, but make sure it's listed in the lab. The alveolar processes, the body of the mandible, the clavicle. You can also have it pronounce things for you, just like that. Cervical vertebra. And then once you've gone through everything, you can set up quizzes, and I think we've talked about that in class, but you can set up the specific type of structures and the number of questions you want to have it show you. So just a reminder that you have all that available to you. Let me know if you have any questions.